Thought it was supposed to flap, not crack. What is going on, guys? I am back after a long fucking winter. Sorry, I probably shouldn't swear right off the beginning. But the car's gone through some changes at this point. She ain't purple no more. Now white. A lot of things are broken. Let's go over that. I just had all the paint fixed. But this is, the side skirt broke off. The paint was ripped on the front here in a bunch of spots and had a dent. That side skirt's still there, but this isn't. Gotta get that off. 3 of my little fins broke. And, yeah. I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna have to order new mud flaps, because that one's cracked. What the fuck? I thought it was supposed to flap, not crack. That one's fine. I'm gonna order 4 new ones anyway. What the fuck, dog? What is your boy going through? Like on a daily basis? Anything under here? I'm scared to show this. Oh my god. It's okay, right? It's pretty clean. That's me. Damn, that thing's on there though, bro. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Oh, it starts better right here. So the reason I'm taking it all off is because I have all brand new stuff to go on. Ta-da! Now we'll be giving away all of these broken parts. Oh! I don't know if you can even see. So I bought t-shirts. I don't know how to ship things because I'm dumb. But if you know me in real life and you want to buy one, I don't know if you can see, but this window is so dirty underneath that. Disgusting. I'm gonna take this broken thing off here. I need a screwdriver. Now I probably should just jack the car up. What fun is that? Pretty much anytime you put one of these on your car, you're gonna end up with some rock chips in the bottom here. It's the glue that I used. Yeah. RGB. And you want to put it safe storage. It'll be safe there. And don't leave these in the driveway. So yeah, that looks horrible. Now I'm making this video, where is it? Because I already have all of the pieces I need to rebuild this whole car. Everything I'm taking off, I already have brand new ones of somewhere. I got a lot of stuff. I don't know where. We already got, so you can see, the wrap for the whole car. Everything's ready to go, which is going to be the whole series coming up next. I'm just kind of introducing that series, I guess, by taking all this garbage off of my car and putting new garbage on. Hey! Fucking bug?
Hell yeah, cousin.
Yes. Easy. Trying not to cut, my window. I would take these off, but the whole roof is wrapped in vinyl, so I really don't care about those. I might rewrap the roof. Other than the mud flaps, but I'm not. I feel like jacking the car up and taking the flaps off. I didn't realize they were broke. I wasn't planning on that. And I don't have new ones yet, so I don't feel like destroying the whole look yet. Still got some curve in there. Still got some of that curve in there. That flappy. You have to subscribe to enter, and at 100 subscribers, I'm giving away some t-shirts. So subscribe so that you're one of the subscribers, and then that way you could get a t-shirt and look like me. That would be awesome. Like when you notice it, you notice it. Like that whole piece is just gonna slide off one day. You got the boom boom pow with the grass. Actually, put you right there. Here's what we got. They're a little wrinkly because one, they're in a box, and two, go fuck yourself. Wanna buy a t-shirt? Fuck you. Doesn't it look ugly without the skirts on there? Here's purple. Purple's nice. And they all have the thing on the front. That one. Black kind of fire too. And the hoodies aren't for sale. These are for me. Don't let me know on those. But let me know on the shirt. There we go. They're doing some good shit. He's just got a branch or a tree. I wonder if he's gonna plant it. So I was thinking I'm gonna wrap the car in grass. It'll be really cool. It'll set that spring tone. Summer vibe. So many people have asked me what color am I doing. I've said nothing to so many people. I've left hints all around the world for people to discover on their own and make their own conclusions. But now is the time to find out. What color am I? Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Stay tuned because I'm going to use this. It's going on the car. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.